All right, so whenever we're trying to find a missing side length, it's really important that we first identify what we know. So if I look here, I am given this side length across from my 90-degree angle. So this is side length C. So what I'm missing here is actually one of my legs. So I'm not trying to find C, instead I'm trying to find A or B. Again, it doesn't matter which one you label A and which one you label B. It's really important that you always have C across from the right angle. So I'm going to start with my formula, which is A squared plus B squared equals C squared, and substitute in what I know. I don't know what A is. That's what I'm trying to find. So this is A squared. I know that B I have labeled is that 6 squared. And then I know C is 10, so 10 squared. So my process is the same here. Go ahead and square my numbers. So A squared stays, 6 squared is 36, and 10 squared is 100. Now, you should see that this is simply solving equations at this point. So I'm trying to get A on its own. Right now, this positive 36 is in the way. So I'm going to minus 36 to zero it off of this side and move it to the other. So I'm going to be left with A squared equals 64. At this time, I'm now going to try and get rid of this square symbol, and the way I do that is by taking the square root. So taking the square root of a number will undo squaring it. So I'm left with A, and then the square root of 64 is 8. So I now can see that my missing side length was 8.